Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download app without Apple ID password. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you open your settings, scroll it down, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy, tap on iTunes and app store history, and tap on always required and don't require. So just go back, scroll down and tap on touch ID and password. Enter your passcode in iTunes App Store. Turn off and password autofill. Turn off and go back. Now tap on Apple ID. Now tap on media purchase. Tap on password settings and tap on required password turn off. Tap on done. After this, go back and check your problem and get another pack. After this step, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.